So continuing on with the BCDR, you also want to establish backup, storage, and restore requirements for the systems and data that are in scope for this compliance program. So your configuration baseline, your server images, your security group configurations. If your primary repository goes down, are they backed up? So if you need to get access to those server images and that primary location isn't available, let's say you use VM Store or something like that, how do you get to those server images? If not, how quickly can you recreate them? Do you have an automated system that can reimage your servers? Do you have a checklist that is on Wiki or something? How do you restore that component of your service? Same with application code. So are you storing that code in a repository that goes back versions and stores previous history for every single change, every branch merge, so that rollbacks are easy to do? If the entire, let's say you're using Git, if the entire an on-prem server goes down, are you backing up that data off-site? Same with data from your databases. How are you? Do you have a failover database in a separate environment? Are you just using your cloud's native database backups? Are you using multi-region if you're in the cloud, so that even if an entire region goes down, you still have those backups available so that you can restore your database? You have to determine whether that is applicable to your organization. Do you need that data fast enough so that is a justifiable expense? If not, then it's not. Then you can just use more manual processes to restore your services. You can wait for your cloud your cloud service to become available. You just have to determine during an incident, if I don't have access to these primary services, how long is this going to take to get this data back, to restore it, and is that within my recovery time objective?